In this video, we'll be explaining about appointment management in mobile app. In this video, we are covering following topics: appointment calendar, booking a new appointment, notification related to the appointments, managing appointment status, rescheduling, and booking the following follow-up appointment, and then finally managing the time slot for the doctors. I will quickly take you to the app, mobile app. So we believe like you have the login, and then so you are logged into the software and you are already there in the home page. In the home page, you have this calendar icon. Click on the calendar icon. You will see today's appointments by default. Let's say we would like to book a new appointment. Click on this book appointment button. It will open the appointment booking screen. So here you can select the doctors available in the clinic and then enter the patient name here. Here you can either enter when you start entering the patient name, it will show the suggestion in case if the patient is already entered in the system. Otherwise, it will take care of creating a new patient. So here I have this patient which is already there. I'll click on it and then select it. So based on the patient profile, it will fill all the details from the patient profile: patient name, contact number, email address, and age, gender, everything is pre-filled. Your appointment date is selected as a 20th of August. In case if you would like to change the date, you can click on this one. You can choose any date. Then select that appointment time. It will give you the appointment time based on the interval set. For this doctor, we set the interval as 15 minutes per appointment. Let's say I will select an appointment at 9 p.m. Here you have the option to enter what purpose the appointment is scheduled. Let's say I will select the option as consultation. This value, whatever you are seeing, it is coming from your procedure catalog list. I'll select it and you can put any note related to the appointment. I'll just put the note as this is demo. Here you have option to send notification to the patient and send notification to the doctor. By default, every patient and doctor will receive the notification. In case if you don't want to send the notification for any reason, you have the option to uncheck that one. Then you have option called as a default notification and WhatsApp from the clinic. Default notification will send WhatsApp message from the Click4Appointment number. It's a common number for all the clinics. You would like to send WhatsApp from your own clinic number which is installed in this smartphone, right? Then you can select WhatsApp from the clinic here. So you need to be very careful here, because in case if you are using your personal number or the personal mobile device, okay, so I would suggest not to use this WhatsApp from clinic, because the message will go from your personal number. So you always use the phone with a WhatsApp which is used for communicating with your patients, right? So then click on this save. When you click on the save, it will create the appointment and also it will send the notification. SMS notification will go by default, and then it will prepare the message to send the WhatsApp notification. So here the message is ready. You just need to, here you see this, the SMS notification came with the details of appointment. Now I click on this send button from the WhatsApp. So this is how the message will be formatted and then sent to the patient. So in the message format, it has got the name of the patient, doctor name, date of appointment, time of appointment, and the mobile number or the contact number of the clinic, so that it will be convenient for the patient to reach out to you if they have any queries. And Google Map location of your clinic also will be sent in the notification. Okay, let me go back to the app. So in the app now you see that newly created appointment. So now we will look at like the appointment detail. I will click on this one of this appointment, tap on this appointment. You will see the screen which opens up, which will give you the complete details about the appointment with the name of the patient, email address, everything is displayed. Here you have multiple options. So you have the option to view the patient, check in, mark the appointment as check in. Let's say patient has come into clinic, you can mark that appointment as a checked in, and you have the option to reschedule, mark the appointment as complete, or cancel, or no show. Right? All those options are there. So now in case you would like to call the patient, you don't have to save the contact details of the patient in your mobile contact. You have the option to directly call from here. Let's say if I click on this call, so it will take you to one of this app which is installed in your this one mobile. So let's say I will select phone. So what it will do is like it will copy the phone number of the patient, so that way you can dial the patient easily. So now let's say I would like to initiate some WhatsApp communication with the patient. It's a generic WhatsApp communication. You just click on this WhatsApp. It will open the patient a WhatsApp with the patient number copied. So you can send the message. Let's say sometimes you may want to send a QR code for accepting the payment, or you may want to send a communication like so doctor is not available, or you may want to contact the patient for a report whether they have received or not, like that. Any type of communication which you would like to do with the patient, you will be able to do using that WhatsApp option. So now I'll click again. So then you have the option to request for a Google review. This is very important. So in case the appointment is completely done and patient is happy, you would like to also sort out for the request for the review, so you can do this one from this one. So let's say if you do this one, so it will prepare the message and then it will send Google review request, right? And then you have option to send care message. Let's say you have done some major surgery, you are expecting patient may have a bleeding or swelling, you would like to ask them how they are feeling after the procedure today, right? You will be able to send the message like this. It will send the formatted message with the details like a mobile number of the clinic where they can reach out in case if they have any queries. And in case you would like to send any post operation instruction, like let's say you have done like or say some dental filling or something, right? You can select this one, dental filling, and then so send WhatsApp from the clinic. You'll be able to send the notification to the patient. So it will send the instruction, do's and don'ts for that particular procedure, right? It will become very easy for the patient to read the instructions at their home using their mobile device. You would have told everything, but sometime people will forget, and then if you have documented and then so it is, so to say, readily shareable with the patient, it is like, let's say, it will be a very good option for the patient. So that covers how you will manage the status and various options which you have for the appointment. I said now I will mark, I would like to reschedule. Let's say for example this time is not suitable for the patient. So patient called and then so said like instead of say today, can you give me the appointment for tomorrow, right? So you can choose the appointment date as tomorrow and then you will send the notification. So here you have reschedule and then the patient will get a notification saying your appointment is rescheduled, and then so that appointment is moved from today's calendar to tomorrow's calendar. See, it's like what's immediately messages went, the WhatsApp messages went. It's like what's a communication become very much streamlined. So let's say now we have done it, and so we'll go back to the tomorrow's appointment, and then so I will click on the appointment again. So now we would like to give follow-up appointment for the same patient after 4 days. Click on this follow-up. It will pre-populate everything. Like let's say patient is selected, doctor is selected, and then you just select like let's say date of appointment as 22nd, and then click on this appointment time. Say 10:30. We are giving him one more appointment. Click on this one, and then so click save. So done. So your follow-up appointment is also done. So that way patient is aware, okay, I have an appointment after 2 days, and doctor is also like or say knows their schedule. Like okay, I have these appointment schedule for or say this one 22nd. Right? So that way it will make your clinic management streamlined, and this information about your calendar is available on the go. Let's say you are traveling, and then so you have the mobile device, you can open your app, and then so you can click on 22nd, what is my appointment, so your appointment is there, right? So that's how you will be able to seamlessly manage your appointment with this tool. So now I will show you one more thing. So let's say we have doctor, we would like to set their available time. So you click on this doctor, and then you click on this action button, click on the time slot. So now we would like to set the doctor availability. Let's say doctor is available only from 10:30 a.m. on Monday, and let's say on Wednesday is available from 11 a.m. Like this, you will be able to design the available slot for the doctor. And also doctor is having a break between 1 to 5 p.m. Right, you will be able to design his break time. So that way you are predefining the doctor's availability, so that way patients knows like when to take the appointment. Your staff also knows when the doctor is available, so they can give the appointment according to the doctor availability. Okay. I hope this video was useful, and you know how to use the appointment calendar from mobile app. In case if you have any queries or you would like to contact us, please note down the number displayed on the screen. Once again, thank you very much for watching the video.